turns.
Me too. Sometimes I want to just stop coming to school.
That sounds like a bad idea.
I know, but I hate tests.
You know, I was just reading about the first school in Taiwan. Did you know that it was opened by preachers from the Netherlands so that they could teach the Aboriginals to read and write?
Really? That's nice of them.
Well, they wanted them to learn to read so that they could read the Bible. It wasn't just to be nice. It was also an attempt to force them to change their religion and culture.
I've heard about this. Their school educated more women than men, right?
Right.
But after the Netherlands left, education in Taiwan changed, right?
Yes, Christian education became less common and Confucian educational idea took over.
But Confucian education system didn't really educate women, right?
Right. Only women from wealthy families were educated and they could only attend the school until they were 12 or 13.
Well, if they were going to get married at 14, they have to leave school before then.
True, but there were female schools like the one in Danshui from the late 19th century. It was the first school for girls in Taiwan.
Right. But the first two girls' schools were Christian schools.
So teacher later wanted girls to be able to read the Bibles and be Christian, right?
Yeah, but that was mostly Pingpu women, right? Han women were focused on being good wives and rarely attended school.
True, but the women who attended school had a few jobs they could do, so they were less dependent on their husbands. They could become preacher's assistants or school teachers after they graduated.
I wonder how they were to school back then.
Well, women then wore very different things from now. I've seen traditional Hakka clothes, and they were black or blue and very simple.
That's right, the people clothes were less simple. They embroidered colorful flowers onto their clothing. Plus, people women wore skirts, but Hakka women wore pants, so they could easily work on their family's farms.
How about Han women?
Han women wore different clothes in different seasons, with special formal clothes for special events.
Oh, foot bathing was common then too, so women wore small shoes, right?
Yes, but foot biting was very painful. Some women even wore a 3-inch shoe with a little bell on the end.
Yeah, the Golden Lotus.
But Japanese occupation ended food biting, which was good because after occupation started, more women got jobs and to work. You need to be able to walk.
Right, before that, women usually stayed home.
No wonder there were more schools for girls. You need education to get a good job.
Right. Women from poor family with no education had to work as laborers, and they didn't make very much money. Educated women could become teachers, nurses, or pharmacists.
I would like to be a nurse.
Maybe today, but women used to hold very low positions in society and were often underpaid and taken advantage of.
That's not fair. I'm glad women have more power over our life today.